welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because it's something I've wanted to do for just about a very long time, and yeah, finally doing it. So if you guys have watched my previous two videos, that is a travel vlog and my life update video, y'all know that I'm in Canada. I'm in Canada, and so you know, new room, new house, new everything. So I'm gonna give you guys, as you can tell by the title, a room tour. So let's go up to my room, y'all. So up the stairs is my room, right? So y'all come in? Y'all come in? Yes, y'all come in. Okay, so this is a staircase, and well, this isn't a part of my room, but you know, I just feel like it's so beautiful I can't just pass it by. So yeah, this is a staircase, and my mom put some mirrors. Like a lot of mirrors that she decorated herself. I think this was just some separate mirrors, and then she did it together. Spray paint and glitter. Oh my gosh, I don't want you to see my crusty feet. Yeah, so glitter up, you know, that's her thing. She loves to glam, and you're gonna see a lot of that in my room. So let's go, guys. Oh. And of course, I can't pass this by. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Yes, she made them on her own. Like, yeah. So anyway, this is my room, guys. Y'all ready? Okay, come closer, guys. Yeah, ready? Voila! Yes, guys. Alright, so as you come in, there's a chair. You know, if I have anyone in my room, they can sit here by the door in the chair. Not too much in my room, you know? Yeah. And over the side is a dresser. Yes, so I have a picture of me and my dad. Well, when I was a baby, so like years ago. I don't even know how old I was here. Probably about 2, 3, 4. I don't know. But yeah, me and my dad. You know, I know exactly how old I was. I was 2 years old. Yeah, I was 2. This is my candle. My Bath and I don't know how to open it, y'all, so don't touch me. My Bath and Body Works candle. See the shape? Yeah. That's a tray. This is a Chanel drawer thingy that my mom made. So yeah, I keep some stuff in there. So like my creams for my face and stuff like that. Yeah. And of course, yeah, now I gotta have my lip balm. So if you don't know, me and my sister's business, that is Laurel and Brittany's Odyssey, we have our lip balm. This is the green one, and I just love it. Like, it's on my lip right now. Yes. So just go on the Etsy store. It's online. The link will be in the description below, and if you are in Canada, you can just go on Marketplace. LB's lip balm. It's awesome. Yeah. So yeah, this is a flower thingy in a vase. You know. Oh, and these are some perfumes. My sister got this for me for my birthday, and my sister's behind the camera, guys. Yeah, it's an Aquarius perfume because I'm an Aquarian. So yeah. And over here, now these are my lotions, perfumes. Yeah. So this is a Bessie Johnson. My sister loves using it. Yeah, and this is my favorite. I got on this. Yeah, I got it from my other half. Yeah, partner. Yeah, and of course I have this one, a Victoria's Secret, and my sister got me this one. What was it? Birthday or Christmas?
Christmas.
Yeah. So yeah, Christmas gift. Anyways, and of course over here I have another, I don't know the name of it, but I have like my watch, AirPods, stuff like that in it. And come closer, guys, let me show you this. Now this is my jewelry. So I have these are anklets, bracelets, necklace. This is my Aquarius necklace, by the way. These are just bottles. And bracelets, my vapor inhaler, another lip balm that I bought it for like when I just came here to Canada because my lip was just so chapped. And y'all, I used the other one and just stopped using it because my lip was getting dark, and it like in about less than an hour it was gone from my lips. So yeah, so no, I stopped using it. And these are just some decor. This is my, what's it called again? Yeah, so my mom made this box. Yeah, so it's a tissue box. Yeah. So yeah, and this is my bedside table, and this is a nice lamp. I'm not gonna plug it in. There was red light in it, but I took it out because I don't like sleeping at red light. It's scary. Yeah, and this, of course, my sweetie jar is probably my favorite thing in my room because I love sweets. I had chocolates and stuff up here, but I ate them and I haven't restocked as yet. There are some leftovers, Skittles, and some Mentos mint. Yeah. So I haven't restocked it as yet, but I'm gonna very soon. Yeah, and this is my bed. Of course, this is my bed. It's like the most comfortable bed in this house. And so many times, me, my mom, and my sister, they'll just jump into my bed because it's just the best bed. Anyways, this is my chest of drawers. Yeah, whatever. I got this, well, I unboxed this yesterday. Yeah, I got this yesterday. Oh, my sister also gave me this. Yeah, it says side by side or miles apart. Sisters will always be connected. By the heart. Yeah, I got this when I was in Jamaica. Well, I didn't physically get it, but she got it. She bought it and kept it. So I was in Jamaica. That's kind of why it says what it says. Yeah. I don't. This is a. I don't know what this is. I think it was inside backwards. I don't know. But anyway, this is a heart, and this is my partner. Me and my partner. Yeah, that's enough looking. This is a light. Yes, it's like really beautiful, but I don't really keep it on. I don't want the battery to die. This is just some extra drawers and stuff. I don't know what to put in it. I don't have anything for it. Probably like jewelry when I actually have a lot of jewelry, so I don't know. Yeah, and this is, oh my gosh, don't show my face. This is my grade 11 graduation. My favorite teacher, Miss Stella. Shout out to you if you're watching. And yeah, and right here, of course, is my entertainment center. So this is my TV that I barely watch. Yeah, these are, guys, Most of these my mom made them, but yeah, like this. It was, believe it or not, this was a cookie tin. And she made it into a, yeah, whatever this is. So yeah, I use it to store like my soap in it because I have a face soap that's delicate and stuff. So yeah, just put it there. And of course, under here there are just some other random decorations and my laptop. And behind here, let me close the door. Right here is my closet. And that's enough look into my closet. So yeah, that's my closet. And yeah, that's my room. Oh, there are like these decor up here. Right here. This is a really nice lamp, by the way. And my mom made that. She makes just about a lot of them. There's like one in every room, right? There's one in just about every single room, bathroom, everywhere there's one. And my clock, my mirror, and mirror. One thing about my mom, she loves mirrors. So everywhere that you go in this house, there's a mirror. There's a mirror in the dining room, in the living room. I think the only place that there isn't one is probably in the kitchen. Oh, there is one in the kitchen. So there's one in everywhere in this room that you go, you have a mirror to look into. So yeah, and that's it, guys. That's my room tour. I didn't want this video to be like really long. So yeah, but yeah. That's my room tour. If you guys would like to see a house tour, you can just tell me and I'll consult. And I'll probably give you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Period. Let's get this channel up to 1,000 views. I said views, I meant subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, and of course, when we are at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway of 100 Canadian dollars. Yes, guys. So, yeah, just go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Go and also subscribe to my sister's channel. The link will be in the description, and it'll be somewhere up here. Also, my friend's Tonya channel, the link will also be in my description and somewhere up here. And don't forget to go on our Etsy store and order one of our magical lip balms. Like, period. And what else? The link will also be in the description for that. And the link for our marketplace will also be in the description. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you guys so much, and stay safe during this pandemic. Peace.